Hey guys, welcome back. This is gonna be part 2 of how to make a door on Roblox. So let's get into it. Open Roblox Studio. Whoops. Insert a script into door. I'm gonna name it main script. Put it inside of D1. And then script.parent.touched. Well, actually, you can just keep it indoor. It really doesn't matter. Function hit. If hit.name equals. It can be anything. You can make it head, which means the player's head. You can make it the torso, or you could name it any part that can be throwable. I'm gonna say humanoid root part, which is in this torso. Then, if it doesn't have that name, then everything after the then, every script after the then, won't work. So we're gonna say script parent dot position equals vector3 dot new. Copy the position of D2 and then paste it inside of new. And then say script.parent.orientation equals vector3 dot new 0.0.0. I'm just gonna add a wait. You don't have to put it because the default wait time is like very fast. You actually don't know how long it is. And then you're gonna want to say wait, like 1. Then script.parent orientation equals vector3 dot new. Copy your orientation now. 0, 0, 0. No comments. 0. And then script.parent. Keep on doing that. Parent.position equals vector3 dot new. Copy that. Paste it in. Now, whenever we join the game and now, later, when, okay, now, sorry for that long wait. Now, whenever we touch it, it opens. Maybe it wasn't so long after all. And when you check inside of workspace, there's me, then there's humanoid root part, which is invisible, which means anything without that name cannot make it open. Let's say you added a part into workspace and you named it humanoid root part. Now it should just spontaneously open. since it's touching. Am I not long enough? I don't know if that's long enough. Wait, what? That's kind of glitchy. I guess the part does not work. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And goodbye.